My name is Carlos Eduardo. I am a college senior at Texas A&M University in San Antonio. I am a DACA recipient from the state of Texas, and I am a proud selected participant of the Winter 2020 California-Mexico Dreamer Study Abroad program. Having DACA has changed my life in the United States. Thanks to DACA, I am currently in college, and I am pursuing a career and contributing day by day to my community. And now, as a selected member of this program, along with other selected participants, we are seeking advanced parole from USCIS under the new guidelines and new requirements they have put forth this year for DACA recipients and advanced parole. Personally, if I were to receive advanced parole, this would be a milestone opportunity for me. It would change my life. Not only will I get to educate myself on the importance of national security interests of the United States and Mexico, but with the program taking place in Mexico, I will be able to also visit for the first time and meet for the first time family members that I hold very dear to me and that I have not been able to see since I moved to the United States. This opportunity is just immense in my world and in the world of the rest of us participants. This is a dream come true. This is something that we have always have hoped for. And now with this opportunity, we are urging you, members of our community, members of Congress, representatives and senators alike, please help us. Share our voices, share our stories, and stand with us. Stand with us on this journey of seeking acceptance from USCIS regarding our advanced parole petitions. We urge you to stand with us. Thank you, and God bless you.